Hamid bin Abdul Rahman narrates that he once heard Muawiya, may Allah be pleased with him, giving a sermon where he mentioned that he heard the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, say that Allah grants understanding of the religion to whom He wishes good. Muawiya continued emphasizing that he is merely a distributor, and only Allah provides, reminding all present that this community will always stand firm on Allah's command, and anyone opposing them will not harm them until the Day of Judgment. Hamid reflects on the essence of Muawiya's words, illustrating the eternal strength and resilience of the community founded upon faith and understanding. As the sun sets behind the dunes, it serves as a reminder of the continuous journey towards enlightenment and the importance of holding steadfast to the values taught by the Prophet, peace be upon him. Hamid emphasizes the significance of these teachings, reflecting how they resonate through time and guide the believers in their daily lives. This enduring connection to the past inspires present and future generations to uphold the principles of Islam, gathering together in unity and devotion, reinforcing the message that faith continues to thrive amidst challenges.